Hello. Thanks.
We have Subway. I feel like anytime we go outside, picnic things, Subway, Willow. Today we are at the Dream Forest. I think it's the 4th largest like park in Seoul. I think today might be like one of the last like not freezing cold days.
Well, winter stayed yesterday.
Anyway, we're gonna eat lunch and then we're gonna go walk around, let Willow check out this park. She's already so excited. And yeah, we're gonna go see some cool fall foliage before winter takes over everything. Let's eat, guys. Is that why nobody's sitting here? Because there's like bees on the table? Is it gone? Nope, it's there. It's on your table. It's on your table. With a pink bag, it looks good. Cute.
I like your socks today. Where'd you buy it?
Ones that I have that are white, but I bought these in Haywalk.
Cute. Yeah, there's so many fish.
Over there, some of the big ones.
Yeah.
Ew! Came up we came kind of back down the other side, and there are deer over here, just like Seoul Forest. A deer! How's your feeling? Second time watch the deer.
Oh dear.
This time she's so focused. Do you see that one?
Don't be close. Don't touch it.
Why?
Touch it dirty.
I can, right?
Don't touch it dirty.
She's crying.
So small.
Hi guys.
We're done
Yes.
North Seoul Dream Forest.
It's
It's
beautiful.
good. Yeah,
it's
it's good.
really beautiful.
It's really big and really so many stuff.
There's a lot of space, so it doesn't feel crowded. It felt like pretty empty. Like the Seoul Forest, there were so many people feeding the deer.
Yeah.
But here, there's a few people. You're not supposed to feed the deer, but the people are feeding them anyway.
I have to come back in here again.
Yeah, I think there would be a lot of things to do like in the springtime.
Yeah, this
I think they've got like cherry blossom trees.
Yeah,
I think I
so.
saw a picture.
Yeah. So when you come back in springtime, probably
Yeah.
more beautiful, more take a good photo and videos. Yeah,
nice.
this park nearby Miasageori Station.
Yeah, that's right.
Or it's kind of far from the station, so you need to ride a bus or ride a taxi.
I think we definitely did not explore a lot of it. I think we only saw the entrance and maybe this back part, but I think it does get like pretty forest like hike
Yeah,
in
we
the
can
back.
go more like up.
This might be the last chance of seeing these beautiful fall leaf colors, so we just hope you guys enjoyed seeing autumn here in Seoul because we've been enjoying it so much. We are not ready for the winter. Willow is not ready for her first official winter.
Okay.
Anyway guys, yeah, we hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and comment and
Subscribe.
subscribe,
guys.
please. See you next week with
See you next week in
another
another video.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.
Together, Willow. Bye guys.